Hey guys, I'll teach you how to do a headstand. But first of all, if you're a beginner for doing headstand, you should do it on a carpet. But since we don't have a carpet, I will use these. But since I know already how to do a headstand, I'll don't need this. First, you put your head here and put your knee on your elbow. Then put the other one. If you're already in this position, slightly lift your right or whatever you want leg. Then do this. If you're already did it, do this. Slightly lift your other leg upwards, like that. Now, if you get used to doing that, try widening your legs. I'll give you tips on headstand. The wider the leg, the more balance, the great balance, and you will fall. And if you fall, you should do a rolling like this. Just do a rolling so your back won't hurt. If I fall, see, your back won't hurt. Well, if you're on carpet, it will hurt a little. So that's how you do headstand. And if you want to get used to headstand more, just headstand on a wall like this. Then keep doing it until you get used to it. Good luck, guys. Thank you. Subscribe.